Hi guys, today I would like to share with you how to measure your ring size from home. So for the first way to measure your ring size at home, you will need a printer where you can print out the Lovemark Diamond Size Chart, which I recommend to print out in 100% scale so that you get all of the sizes correct. The website is lovemarkdia.com. So here I've got my ring that I would like to measure and my ring measuring guide. Start by placing your ring onto the circles. Make sure your ring does not overlap the edge of the circle, and between the edge of the circle and the inner part of your ring, there are no gaps. So this ring looks like it's a perfect fit for 57. I find number 57 on the chart over here. Which equals to a size 8. So for the second way, you can use some measuring tape. Or if you don't have measuring tape, a ruler works as well. Taking the measuring tape, measure the circumference of your finger in millimeters. Then taking that number over to the chart we have, find your matching ring size. It's as easy as that. Thank you for watching!